Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious blueberry lemon cornbread. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 1/2 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 2 large eggs ready. Finally, zest 1 lemon, and prepare 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, gently whisk the buttermilk, melted butter, and 2 large eggs. Then, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir everything together just until it's combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, and we want it perfectly tender. This is where our cornbread gets its wonderful flavor. Gently fold in the lemon zest and your fresh blueberries. Make sure those beautiful berries are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Next, prepare your baking pan. Lightly grease an 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan to prevent sticking. Once your pan is ready, carefully pour the blueberry lemon cornbread batter into it, spreading it evenly. We are almost ready to bake this delicious treat. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. You will know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cornbread cool slightly in the pan before slicing into squares. Serve it warm with a pat of butter or a drizzle of honey for a truly delightful treat. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.